I am Himanshu Agarwal from Bangalore.
Haribol.
And I came with my parents along with my sister. So I just want to tell what I experienced there. So it was a great pleasure having Prabhuji on the boat, and that too on the world's largest cruise. And what I experienced is like people here, they were dancing on the swimming pool with the DJ on, but Prabhuji made us dance with the console of the DJ at the Hare Krishna Kirtan. So that was very distinct. That was a very distinct experience what we had, and I would definitely like Prabhuji to conduct such kind of cruises so that we also have the opportunity to take part in all other activities what he does around the world. Katha was absolutely amazing, and that too, anyways, I had already discussed with Prabhuji like how deeply he goes into the subject. So that is totally amazing. So we have already told him like जो होता है कि हमारा मन नहीं भरता है, टाइम पर चल जाता है बट हमारा मन नहीं भरता है.
अरे बोल.
So again प्रभुजी को धन्यवाद प्रणाम. एंड उनका एसोसिएशन हमेशा चाहे कि हम जब तक जिंदा है तब तक बने रहे. उनका